Hello and welcome. ده كورس المحادثه للمبتدئين. فيه 3 خطوات مميزة لو انت حابب تستفيد من الفيديو ده. اول خطوة ان انت تسمع المحادثة كاملة، ولو في حاجة مش فاهمها توقف وتبدأ تعيد المحادثة تاني. تاني خطوة هي ان انت هتمثل الشخص بي وترد على كلام الشخص الاول. تالت خطوة والاخيرة هتبدأ ان انت تبدل الادوار وتبقى الشخص A، وفي نهاية الفيديو هيبقى انت لعبت الدورين، شخصية A و B، وبكده استفدت أكبر استفادة. ملحوظة مهمة إن في نهاية الفيديو هتلاقي كل الكلمات الجديدة أو الكلمات اللي انت مش فاهمها أو أي حاجة ليها علاقة بالفيديو ده. جاهزين؟ يلا نبدأ. Let's get started. Informal conversation between Mike and Janet for the first time. Step 1. Listen. Hello, my name is Mike. What's your name? Janet. Pleased to meet you, Mike. Pleased to meet you. Where are you from, Janet? I am from Milano. Where are you from? I'm from New York. Are you American? Yes, I am. Are you Italian? Yes, I am. What's your last name? Smith. And what's your last name? Rosie. What's your job? I'm a teacher. I'm a lawyer. What's your address? 34 White Street. How old are you? I am 25. Excuse me, can you tell me the time? Yes, of course. It's 7. Thank you, Janet. See you soon. Goodbye, Mike. Have a nice evening. Step 2. Your turn. You are person B. Hello, my name is Mike. What's your name? Pleased to meet you. Where are you from, Janet? I am from New York. Yes, I am. Are you Italian? Smith. And what's your last name? I am a teacher. 34 White Street. I am 25. Excuse me, can you tell me the time? Thank you, Janet. See you soon. And that's it. Step 3. You are person A. Start now. Janet. Pleased to meet you, Mike. I am from Milano. Where are you from? Are you American? Yes, I am. What's your last name? Rosie. What's your job? I am a lawyer. What's your address? How old are you? Yes, of course. It's 7. Goodbye, Mike. Have a nice evening. That's it. Hope you loved the video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget your examples. See you again in the next video.